Hello my beautiful nail lovers, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time and location. You're most welcome to my channel, Ose Hair Lounge, a channel that always brings you latest and trending nail designs and hairstyles. So if you're a lover of beautiful nails and hairs, kindly do join us today. Okay, subscribe to the channel, turn on your bell notification so that you don't get to miss our upcoming videos. Trust me guys, we'll bring nothing but more stylish nail designs and hairstyles. So here is a go-to destination for that trendy and latest nail design. So guys, join us today and trust me, you'll definitely be blown away with our amazing collections. So today we have carefully selected most stylish and trending nail designs for my ladies. Here we have stunning and latest nail designs for elegant ladies. So guys, watch from beginning to the end so that you definitely select your most loved ones. Trust me, you will love them all. So we have it in different colors, different nail shapes, different nail art designs on each of the nails. So just watch, select your favorite slide and also share to your loved ones so they can be part of the video as well. Just in case this is not actually what you want, maybe you're looking for a particular nail designs, why not go into our channel, for we have varieties. Okay, we have lots and lots of stunning designs, a lot of stunning nails ideas that you definitely love, so go check them out. So guys, as you watch our video, kindly do support us by liking the video. Okay, just give this video a thumbs up. Okay, that's one way of encouraging us to even bring more designs to this channel. So as you watch, like, comment and share. We'll wait for a lovely comment in the comment section. Just tell us, will you be trying any of these nails? Let us know in the comment section. And so we're looking forward to seeing you again on our next video. Bye.